My lawyer never told me about my right to a trial. My lawyer never told me about I didn't have to testify. My lawyer never told me about the maximum punishment. The judge eliminated a substantial amount of that post-conviction relief or on appeal, what defendants typically argue. What were your thoughts?
I agree with what you said. I also think that because the family was present, I want to go back to what you were talking about with Jack earlier, with the family and their concern. People don't understand the process, the criminal justice process, the judicial process, because unless you have come into contact with it in this type of manner, you're not focused on this. So what the judge did in his full explanation of the charges, getting the defendant to answer in court, explaining that to the defendant, also explained it to the victim's family and to the entire public. We have a disconnect between what we think people know and what they understand, what they watch on television, and how things actually unfold. And you're right, they do it different in different jurisdictions. You and I both are from New Jersey. I'm currently in Washington, D.C. And all of these cases that we're going over now are in various jurisdictions, different places, and people, the way that the Law and Crime Network has really played it out, and the host and the expert, it allows people to see what it looks like differently, so people don't get stuck in a box on how something may be wrong when it's done differently. So I think the judge did very well. He really explained it, and it will serve a dual purpose, not only now, but as you said, in the end.
Yeah, Judge, it's really true that I think it's very, very important for prosecutors to sit down for a lengthy period of time to explain the difficulty of the process, the manner in which the process unfolds. And I always used to say to them, it's going to appear to you to be very defendant-oriented, and it's all about the defendant's rights, but just bear with it. But to the point that we're bringing out about what the judge did during this arraignment, a little more than I've ever seen before, but again, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure as far as PCRs, post-conviction relief and appeals.
I agree.
I was thinking this.
Yes, for Josh.
I'm sorry, Jack. Go ahead.